We're talking about how you can get paid per click every time somebody clicks one of your links. And we're going to set up this system so you can get that done automatically for free. Let's get straight into it. So let's first check out the website that is going to pay us, and that's called EntireWeb. And what EntireWeb is pretty much a search engine just like Google, where you can search for pretty much anything. Now, I don't know the exact results you get if you search for this, but don't forget to subscribe. And the exact same way that you would use Google is the exact same way that you would use EntireWeb. And you're probably wondering, why would they pay you to use this search engine? And the reason for that is because Google is the most popular search engine. Yes, there are a few others, but as a new and upcoming competitor, EntireWeb needs to get more eyeballs on their search engine. So if you can help them get more people on their search engine, then they'll pay you to do that. And how this will work is that we're going to set up a link on another website, and every time somebody clicks on it, EntireWeb will pay you for that click. But first, what you'll want to do is head over to entireweb.com/affiliate, where you can see here that you can earn up to 20 cents for every click. Get paid for every visitor you refer to their free search engine submission service. And this is available worldwide. As you can see right here, everyone can join. Within just minutes from sign up, you'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. And of course, I know you must be wondering already, how and when will you be paid? Well, as you see right here, they pay their affiliates via PayPal, and all earnings will be paid by the end of each month for the previous month, and it's all paid in US dollars. So simply hit create account, fill out all of the basic information right here, and then hit sign up. And as easy as that, you've successfully signed up for the affiliate program. Alright, so this is what your dashboard will look like, where you can see what are your commissions for the past 30 days. But the most important thing to look at right now is your referral link, because people need to click this for you to get paid. So let's just quickly highlight this and copy it, because we want to make that link shorter, and what we'll use is a site called Bitly to get that done. So just head over to bitly.com. You can just sign up for free, and then hit create on the top right hand side here, paste in that affiliate link, and hit create. Bitly then would generate this really short link that you can just click copy. And then of course you have to paste that link in the place that people will click it for you to earn some money. But before you do that, we need to create the graphics first for people to click. Because of course you have to make it enticing and have some useful information in there so that they would click it. And the graphics and information that we will be putting together is going to be on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly put together something like this for free and fast, that after somebody takes a look at this headline, reads the important information that you would place right here, you would have your affiliate link right up here. And when somebody clicks that link and it takes them over to SimilarWeb for them to search for something, then you get 20 cents for that click. And the benefit here is that you don't have to set this up all of the time, and just set it up once. And Pinterest is a search engine, so over time your pins would rank, and as you create more with your links, every time somebody clicks it, you just keep earning. So let's quickly create those Pinterest pins. So once you sign up for Canva for free, you just head over here to create a design and search for Pinterest. So like this one, and let's get started. Now you have a lot of templates to choose from on your left hand side here, but you can just narrow down the search by searching for something like a website. I mean, you could search for anything and find something simple that will work. And this looks fine, so we're just going to click that one. And you're probably wondering already where you're going to get the information to put in this pin. And you don't have to think about anything. All of that information is already on EntireWeb. When you head back to EntireWeb, just come up to the right hand side here and come down to About. All of the information is already here for what you need to put into the description, as well as any of the details for the graphic. Alternatively, you can come on to Google and search for something like pros of EntireWeb or advantages of EntireWeb. I did that and I found this article here, where you can take little snippets from that and put into the description and into the graphics as well. And you can just take a sentence or two from these first two paragraphs here and possibly reword it to make it your own. But specifically for the graphics that we're going to create on Canva, I'll just take a few points right here from EntireWeb at a glance. It says here that EntireWeb is a highly popular search engine used by millions of people around the world. So we'll just use that. Come back over to Canva here. EntireWeb. I'll just move this up here. Pull this down, change this here to say used by millions. Just to look similar to the color scheme here, we'll just change these colors to blue and gray. So we'll put entire, we have that as blue. Where is it? Blue, and change web to gray. And I'll just take this other wording here, leading supplier of search technology solutions. Remember, this is just an example. Also, ultra high performance information retrieval. Copy that, paste it right there. And you can easily resize this by just clicking and dragging. Change your link at the bottom here to EntireWeb. If I could only type. And once you move some stuff around here, then we want to just change this background. So just come over here, hit photos, and search for information. Oh, you can search for anything. This was just the example that I choose. And of course, you have to search for something that is suitable. And this looks suitable. So I'll just drag and drop that right there. You can even edit the image by clicking it once, coming up to edit image. And I just want to blur it a little bit so that the emphasis is on the text. So as you can see here, it could be blurred all the way, or you can make it all sharp. But no, we just want to blur it a little bit. I think this looks good. So simply hit download and save it to a location on your computer. Now that you got the graphics, now you're going to head over to Pinterest or the brand new account that you just created. You come over to this plus sign and click pin. Click here to upload the pin that you just created. Here it is. We need to tell everyone what the pin is about, and then we're going to add our affiliate link right here. But to tell everyone what your pin is about, we can use some information from this article right here that we found when we searched on Google for benefits of EntireWeb. So we can just copy this information right here from these first two paragraphs, and of course we'll edit it a little bit. Paste it over here into Pinterest. And as I pasted it here, you realize that it's too much words, so we need to trim it down. But we will be removing a lot of stuff, so just for the sake of this example, I'll be using just the first sentence here and the first sentence in the next paragraph. I'll reword it a little bit to make it unique, and then I would head over to Bitly to copy again my affiliate link, because I think I copied a few things in between. So hit copy, back over to Pinterest, paste your affiliate link right here, and then click save. And give it a title, of course, EntireWeb search engine, and we'll explain what people can see in this pin here by choosing why choose EntireWeb. When you're done with that, come up here and give this a name. We want to create this board, and we'll call it Search Engine Alternatives. Hit create, out of there, and then hit save. Now that we got all of that done, let's see how this would actually work and how you can get paid from it. Somebody would search here for search engine alternatives or any of the keywords that you choose for your Pinterest post. Then they would find your post that you just created right here. So they search for search engine alternatives. They stumble upon EntireWeb, used by millions, ultra high performance information retrieval, and they get some more details right over here. And to now get on EntireWeb to start searching, they click this link on the top right here, this bit.ly link right here. And when they click that, it takes them to EntireWeb. And they could, of course, start searching for whatever it is that they need to find. But just by clicking on that link, you get paid 20 cents. And remember, the more times your link gets clicked, then obviously the more money that you make. So to increase your chances of getting more clicks, you can create more pins that are related to this. And over time, your pins would rank on Pinterest, because Pinterest is a search engine. And if you like getting paid per click on Pinterest, then I think you're going to like this video next, where I talk about how you can use Pinterest and get paid per click, but you won't be getting 20 cents. You'll be getting a little bit more than that, because you'll be selling a 3D design that you'll be making for free and easily. So check that out.